This video is about Word and how to use the ruler to arrange your text on the page in terms of indents and yeah, I guess just in terms of indenting it and making it look how you want. So what I have here is just a random article that from the internet. I have the paragraph markers turned on, so you see. Let's zoom in here. You see the paragraph marker. So every time you hit return, or sorry, every time you hit enter, it starts a new paragraph. And so that new paragraph, so it generates one of these paragraph markers. You can turn those on and off in the home tab. And there's the little icon right here in the paragraph section to show or hide those things. If I click that, then those all disappear, and this is kind of the normal view, but yeah, I had that turned on so that I could show you that like each of these is a separate paragraph, which makes a difference when you're working with the indents, because when you're indenting things, it only applies to the paragraph that you've selected or the paragraph that you're currently in. Okay, so I'll turn those off for now so it looks a little cleaner. And then I'm going to go over to the View tab. So there's the tabs across the top. Go to the View tab. And then in the middle here, there's check marks for what you want to show: ruler, grid lines, or navigation pane. So if we turn those things on, so there's the ruler, and it shows this ruler thing at the top. And grid lines will, show you kind of like as a square grid thing, and navigation pane is that, which we don't need to worry about at the moment because we're going to look at the rulers. So in the rulers, you have this little triangle hourglass shaped thing, and we can actually use that to indent each paragraph. So there's three things. There's the top triangle, there's the bottom triangle, and then there is the little square at the bottom. If I drag, and then this is a ruler, so the numbers correspond with inches. So this is like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, and so on. You can drag these things across, and they will drag your paragraph. So let's find a paragraph where, let's look at this one here, where there's multiple lines. So let's start by dragging the square thing over. So if I drag the square thing over, it drags that whole paragraph over like that. Okay, so if you want, depending on where you want it, you can put it there, for example. So that can be very handy if you want to do like more than one paragraph. You just select, I want to do like those 4 paragraphs, and then drag, and drag that over like that, and that works just fine. Let's see what the other ones do. So the triangle at the top will drag over just the first line of each paragraph. So we'll try it. And you can see that the first line of each paragraph has moved over, right? The bottom triangle will drag the everything except the first line, and so you see like that. So you can either drag just the first line, you can drag everything except the first line, or you can drag like everything over. Yeah, and so that's how to use the ruler to do your indents.